You're watching Times Now. I'm Sagarika Mitra, and viewers, it's time to fasten your seatbelts because we are just moments away from a blockbuster Champions Trophy finals between two modern-day gladiators, India and New Zealand. Will India, riding on an unbeaten streak, complete their dominance and claim the silverware, or will the Kiwis once again pull off a giant killing act like they did in 2019 and in 2021? The stakes are massive. Now the tension is sky high and the cricketing world is on fire. But before we get you all the interesting trivia and we go to our guests, let's go straight to Dubai, from where my colleague Karishma is reporting, and she has fans with her. She's been getting us all the live action, all the live updates and the energy straight from the ground. We'll be going across to Karishma Singh, who is going to join us in just moments from now. Karishma, let's tell us about what you're seeing, because just in moments from now the toss will begin. The fans are lining up. What's happening on the ground?
Well, yes, absolutely. Fans are right here. So what would you want to say? We are live on Times Now right now. What is your message to Team India?
All the best to India, and we're sure going to win.
And a lot of people that I've been speaking to since morning are talking about Rohit century, Virat century.
Yeah.
What are you expecting?
Rohit's century is due. I think he's going to perform today.
Today is going to be his day. I see a very beautiful poster there as well, Sagarika. Let's show it to our viewers. The excitement here. India's ICC triumph, a legacy in motion. The T20 World Cup 2007, 2011, 2025 loading. That is what I really like here. Can we just pull it up a little so that we can see this? There's also the 2024 T20 World Cup, and there's also the 2013 Champions Trophy. We unfortunately lost in 2017, but that is going to change now.
Absolutely, it's going to change now, and I think we've got the best combination that we can actually have. And all the ICC trophies that India has actually won till date.
About the combination, even Shubman Gill, the vice captain, yesterday said that this is the best batting lineup ever.
Absolutely, absolutely. I completely agree, and I think this is our best chance. We've got in form Virat, we've got in form Shubman. Rohit is doing his job well, and I think bowlers are doing great.
And I see the Indian flag, the Indian jersey here as well. So what is your message to Team India? What do you want to say?
I just want to say, just go there, express yourself. We have match winners. There is Virat, there is Hardik. I'm sure they are going to perform. The middle order is doing very well for us. Shreyas Iyer is in form as well. KL Rahul is in form. So I think India is going to win comfortably.
India's going to win comfortably.
It won't be a panic situation at all.
So it's not going to be a panic situation at all. Thank you so much. India is what the chants are going to be here in Dubai. Sagarika, I'm going to take you around. This right behind me is the Dubai Stadium. I'm of course going to be talking to more and more fans here, but the Indian team has arrived. There are announcements being made inside the stadium as well, because the action is about to begin. 2:30 p.m. IST is when the match is going to start. There are more India fans here sitting in India jerseys. Why don't we try and talk to them as well? Sir, if I can ask you to come here and tell us, what is your message to the Indian team? What is your message to the Indian team?
Hi, Hal. We are expecting. We are the Indian fans. So today we are expecting Kohli and Rohit. All the top three order batsmen should perform well. So they has to get the.
How's the excitement for the match today?
Very good, very excited now.
Very excited. It's going to be an easy win for India.
Yes, easy, 100% easy for win India. So happy. Is Virat Kohli again to century.
So, Sagarika, I think the common factor is Virat Kohli, because we've been speaking to people since morning and they've only been talking about Virat Kohli getting a century or Rohit Sharma getting a century for that matter. More and more visuals of people, coming in here. I will, of course, again try to stop them and ask them, sir, we are live on Times Now. What is the message?
India is going to win today and always.
Today and always. The Champions Trophy is coming home?
Absolutely.
Ma'am, your favorite player, your message for the player. I see the flag in your hand, the jersey. What would you want to say? Your favorite player, sir, please.
Always.
Come to the camera.
The fit man, Rohit. We love you, Rohit.
Was that
And Virat.
a certain politician when you called Rohit?
No, Rohit is good. Rohit's fit. Well done, Rohit.
So Rohit is fit, Rohit is good, is what people here are saying. So obviously more and more fans coming in here. This is the way for fans to start coming in and go to the Dubai Stadium for where their seats are. It's a very, very long walk, Sagarika, here for fans and the media alike. But this happens when, you know, there are ICC tournaments. That is why fans here are coming in large numbers to the Dubai Stadium, because it's about going to be very, very soon when the match starts.
Karishma, I want you to stay along with us as you get us the live pictures and you get us the live mood on the ground in Dubai, because we also have our guest now joining us, Alan Sippy, former cricketer, joining us live from Mumbai, and also Vedam J. Shankar, sports journalist, joining us. Alan Sippy, moments to go for the toss. Before I ask you to put on the hat of a stats guru and tell us what to expect and what should each side do, you know, if the toss goes in their favor, before that, what is that one message do you want to send to the men in blue, to Captain Sharma?
Good afternoon, Sagarika. To be honest, this is going to be a fascinating game. There's no advice that we can give India, because India is in good control, they're in good space. And New Zealand, on the other hand, is also a team that always turns up in the big events. In the last, I think, 10, 15 years, New Zealand has been one of the, the star teams in the world, because we have a smaller bench strength than India. But at the same time, every big tournament you see New Zealand turn up for the big occasion. Yes. India, on the other hand, I think they're geared for this. They're ready for this. They know for a fact that this is something that they will change things for the better for the Indian cricket, because they have just won the T20 World Cup. Now is the time to stamp the authority big time on the 50-over game. So India is in excellent space. And the team is extremely strong. I just find this Indian team so strong, especially what Shubman Gill said the other day. It's one of the best batting sides this team has ever had. So it's a tall order for New Zealand. They're the underdogs, no doubt. But hopefully their top order, Rachit Ravindra, Kane Williamson, they stand up tall and they give India a good fight. Hopefully this turns out to be an exciting game for the viewers.
The fans are expecting an exciting game. You're seeing the kind of build-up that's happening there, and Karishma is getting us all the live updates. Vedam Jaishankar also joining us. With past ICC knockout losses to New Zealand, how do you think Team India is going to address the psychological aspect ahead of the finals? Because the team has been in top form. But when it comes to that one aspect, what do you think must be going on in the minds of the players, Vedam?
Yeah, good afternoon, Sagarika. See, yes, you're right about that. But, it's not been a level playing field for India in former ICC tournaments, past ICC tournaments. I especially talk about the World Test Championship. When they gave a series to England, New Zealand played a series in England and India came straight out of the IPL, hot IPL, the weather was very hot here, and they walked into an ambush. So I wouldn't talk too much about that World Test Championship. Had they played it in August, it might have been a different result. Let's forget about that. But let's look at what's happening here. Now, you had a 5-day break. Now, that 5-day break is a great break for a pitch. The groundsman can really work on the pitch, ensure there's a lot of rolling, there's a lot of watering, and give you, you can't change the nature of the pitch, If it's a slow pitch, it will continue to be slow, but you can always make it a very good pitch. That would be the challenge. The second thing is, last time, India threw a surprise by bringing in the Varun Chakravarti and playing 4 spinners. I have a feeling that India might go in with Washington Sundar for the sole reason that he'll open the bowling with his off spinners, and there's Rachit Ravindra, there's Conway, there is Kane Williamson. If he's able to get just one of any of these 3, he would have done his job, So I think it's worth a gamble. They might go for the gamble, but the challenge always will, who will you drop to bring in Washington Sundar? But I think like Alan Sippy already said, the ingredients are all there. You have a lovely team. There is New Zealand against another excellent team. New Zealand is a very efficient team. Let's not forget that. They may not have
nail-biting thriller, no doubt. I want you to stay with us because we've opened up our call lines. And Karishma, do listen to what our fans have to say, because we also expect you to take these voices and these wishes to the team, which is gearing up for this mother of all battles. Jayant Mishra calling in from Bhubaneswar. Jayant, what's your message to the men in blue?
Yeah, good afternoon. And I think it's going to be a very fascinating game because the unnecessary emotions are filtered out like it happens with Pakistan or Australia. It's going to be pure cricket. And I think what's going well for India is, you see, one thing certain about cricket is the law of averages. So what's going good for India today is Shubman Gill has not performed in the last two matches, and the other players were, so he's going to come good today. So also is Rohit Sharma. I think we're going to get a great opening partnership. Shouldn't expect much from Virat Kohli because nobody can perform all the time. And KL Rahul is coming good, which is a very good thing. And the spin quartet, which is Varun and Kuldeep.
All right.
Nobody has been able to figure them out, so they are going to win the game for India today.
Thank you so much for joining in. Cricket fans in India are very, very passionate. They take the game very seriously, and that is why they say in India cricket is like religion, and cricketers are put on the pedestal, treated like gods. We also have Jaya joining us from Mumbai, and I want all our guests to stay with us. I want Karishma also with us as she gets us the latest pictures that are coming in. We are moments away from the toss. The teams have started arriving. Jaya, what are your wishes for how would you like to cheer on the team at this point of time?
Oh yes, we will definitely seal the winning streak with a big victory. Needless to say, Bharat is yearning for the Champions Trophy in 2025. We pray that whether a batter or a bowler and as a fielder, each contributes his best. And in Sanskrit, and I am waiting to come back on your channel and rejoice in the night. And Sanskrit slogan word for all the best is Shubham Bhuyat, Shubham Bhuyat, Shubham Bhuyat.
Going back to Karishma. Karishma, a lot of activity around you. Over to you.
Well, yes, absolutely. You can see so many fans over here. They're holding the India flag, and they're, of course, very, very excited for the big match, India versus New Zealand. We're right here at the Dubai Stadium. What is your message?
Definitely we'll win India today. Thank you.
And India will win today?
Yes.
And what is going to be the cheering inside when Virat is hitting sixes or Rohit is hitting sixes or Varun Chakravarti is taking the wickets?
Virat! Definitely today make century Virat Kohli and win the tournament also.
Toss will we win?
Toss maybe not accepted because we are lost in 11 times.
Let's talk about what's happening back home. There is Havan that is happening. There are people who are going to temples praying for India to win. We are here in Dubai. We are also hoping that India wins today and gets the Champions Trophy back home after 2030.
2024 we will win the
2024 we win. The 2025 we are also winning.
We win. Yeah, 25 also we will win.
Come on, please come here. Tell me where is
Many would analyze the psychological impact, but the way the fans cheer on the team, I think that's more than enough for the team to feel all motivated. We're getting you live coverage, and there you have our, the largest team of reporters on ground, and I am very, very envious of the team down there, be it Shivam or, be it Pink, be it Neha. All of them, wearing the colors of Team India in their jerseys, talking to fans from Dubai to Delhi to Bengaluru. The mood is ecstatic. Going across to Shivam, I want you to stay with us, Karishma, because you should also get the flavor of the kind of cheers that are coming in from Delhi and that's reaching Dubai. Shivam, over to you. Take us through what the fans have to say.
Well, as you rightly mentioned, in the last 15 months, we are playing the third ICC knockout final under Rohit Sharma, and you see we are currently present at one of the open screening that will happen at the national capital in Noida for now. But as we have seen the trend in Dubai as well, the stadium is not filled up in the starting part, but as soon as as match progresses, the team builds up, and we have certain fans with us as well who will talk about what is their expectations from the final. Sir, क्या expectations है आपकी? फाइनल हम आज खेल रहे हैं, रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, काफी लोग बोल रहे हैं आखिर टूर्नामेंट हो सकता है, कैसा लगता है आप, कितना एक्साइटेड है?
इंडिया ही जीतेगी।
आपको लग रहा है नहीं जीतेगी? आपके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेयर कौन है आज के लिए स्क्वाड में?
मैं नहीं देखता, ये
आप क्रिकेट नहीं देखते हैं. So you see here the fans who even don't watch cricket are currently present here.
Lineup like the craze that you're seeing outside the Dubai International Stadium. Let me go across to Bengaluru from where Neha is joining us live. Neha, What's the mood down, there on the ground? And also showing you the latest pictures coming in of the teams. We're just moments away from the toss. We'll also get our experts to comment on what's likely to be expected and thanking them for patiently waiting on. But take us to the mood on the ground.
Well, understandably so, of course, it's all excitement over here in Bengaluru as well, as the young fans, of course, have been keenly waiting for this match. You can see how they're cheering Team India on here. India! 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 Okay, guys, I have to ask you, of course, a lot of excitement. India has been playing in a formidable form this entire tournament. How is today's match going to go?
It's gonna go very good, I feel.
Okay. Do you think India is going to win today? New Zealand is a very strong team.
But India has Virat Kohli, KL Rahul, Varun Chakravarti, so it is a guaranteed win for us.
Okay, all right. Can I ask you, how excited are you for this match? India has been playing in an amazing form, this whole team. All of you young cricketers yourself, you're probably waiting for this match?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm quite excited for the match.
Okay.
Like, India should win.
Okay. I have to ask you, the mood in Dubai also, of course, is very exciting. People are waiting with bated breath. All of you young cricketers, very excited. You've come out to play in the sun as well.
Fans in Bengaluru, to the Indians who have lined up at the Dubai International Stadium to cheer Team India. And we also have our guests. And thank you so much, Alan Sippy and Vedam Jaishankar. Do stay on with us, because after this break, we're going to talk to them about how crucial will the toss be in determining the match's outcome. Stay with Times Now. This is live, non-stop, rolling coverage as we build up to the mother of all cricketing battles.